Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrade.com. It's Wednesday, and that means it's time for our midweek market update video. And we've had a wild day here in the market that looks very similar to yesterday. So yesterday we came down, put a double bottom in, we came up, put a high in, sold off into the close. Today, gapped down a bit, went down lower, didn't quite put a new low in, and then rallied here. And most of this was chopping around, was off of tariff headlines coming back and forth today. Bottom line is we rallied here as the White House has said that they're going to postpone auto tariffs with Mexico and Canada for 30 days. Up we came, and here we are holding with about 23 minutes to go. If we can hold here, this is good, and it gives us room to push once we get above this area to reconnect with the 8-day up here around 588.50. Volume remains elevated, right? You can see we're much more elevated, more volume than we've had. We're at what? We're at 56 million shares. We'll probably finish up around the 70 million area today. So things have changed. The Qs today came down, tested the 200-day again, and has another big bounce, looks similar. The IWM continues to be weaker. The Dow today, nice little candle there, a little bit stronger. The banks came back up. JP Morgan still not doing much. GS, I think the insurers carry the load, the weight here. Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, you get the idea. This SMH is today back still inside yesterday's candle, but up. Nvidia, however, really didn't do much. It gapped up a bit, it came down, it's up. It's basically trading, within the open, yet it hasn't taken that out. AMD, still can't break the 8-day. Micron up a little bit stronger. Taiwan Semi today trying to break above the 200 and the 8-day. So we'll see if we can get some power into some of these. Names like Costco today held serve. Walmart, same thing. Costco reports tomorrow night. China names were on fuego today. They gapped up. FXI pushing to above the range. BABA not quite there, but strong. JD reports tomorrow. Baidu, you get the idea. They came running for China names today, and that's where they hid. The crypto space remains overall weak-ish, coin up a bit. MSTR as well, trying to break out here. Maybe it can. We'll see. And then there's big cap tech, and it was led today by names like Amazon. Amazon almost to the 8-day. By the way, MSTR weekly 302.50 calls alerting here. Amazon going back for the 8-day. Microsoft had a big day, breaking above the 8-day, trying to working its way towards the 21-day. Meta was above the 50-day, still is, but not by much, trying to break out. Google took out the 8-day and now back below it. So we saw some strength in these names. Apple remains out of play. Netflix pushing back up. I like that above 1,000. It's just not very close to it. And Tesla today, what can I tell you? Tesla was a tough trader today. It's still trading in this range. It's a bear flag formation. I did nice on puts, gave a little bit back on calls, didn't get back into it. And I'm sitting in an SPX call spread for tomorrow, looking for a move to that 8-day. So we'll see if that will work. It's the 5880s by 5900 call spread. That said, we'll see where we go from here. Is this over? I don't know, but it certainly feels like the market is trying to say I've had enough and I want to rally, even if it's a dead cat bounce. But then the next big level to me is up here at the 8-day and the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. If you guys want to join us, link in the description. Everybody have a wonderful evening. We'll get back at this tomorrow.